With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is maximum magnification produced by a simple microscope of focal length 5 cm is. Hence we can see here maximum magnification of, let's say, simple microscope is given by the formula 1 plus d by f when the image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. Hence 1 plus d by f, where d is the least distance of distinct vision, which is given as 25 cm, and focal length is given as 5 cm. So we can see here this comes as 1 plus this here is 5. Since centimeter cancels out, so we have here as 6. That is, we can see here the magnification is a unitless and dimensionless quantity. Hence we can see here the maximum magnification of this simple microscope when the image is at least distance, that is at 25 meters. So maximum magnification comes to be 6. So 6 is the correct answer. Hence 6 is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.